Status.
Well, Jamie and David, the Skokomish River was supposed to crest at 3 p.m. Now that's been pushed back to 1 a.m. But you already see the impacts. I'm going to move out of the way and show you what you see behind me here is water over the roadway. And what you are looking at right now is the Skokomish River. You see right here a car trying to go past it. As we were saying, there has been voluntary evacuations in place. It was sent out earlier today. People told, hey, look, the river is rising. You should evacuate. But the reality is, you guys, we've talked to a lot of people who live in this valley. It is not a surprise. It floods here every year. So they're telling me that most people here do not evacuate. They will choose to shelter in place. It doesn't mean, though, that they're not on high alert, because once the river crests and it floods, you're going to see roadways get flooded, but also water reaching yards and portions of people's property. If there is any silver lining here in the Skokomish Valley area, many of these homes are on higher elevation, so most homes won't be flooded. But again, take a listen to what people had to say around here.
The thing that is scary is the current. The current gets really deep. I mean, really swift, and then it's just running through the backyard, you know, and you're like, yikes.
I was looking online and I saw that the back roads were closed and there wasn't going to be any way to get home after 3 o'clock, so I left work and I'm on my way home.
So as you just heard, various roads are shut down, so it's going to be a headache for people coming in and out of the Skokomish Valley area here. And we've seen public works crews with their signs ready to close down all of these streets. We've seen a lot of roads closed already. So, you know, one of the messages for people, if you can stay off the roadways, please do so. Coming up in about half an hour or so, I also did speak with the fire chief who services this area. He had a very important message for drivers, and not just drivers who live around here, but people from outside this area. More on that coming up later. Guys, back to you.